Hey, what's up, fellow adventure nerds? Today we're going to be ziplining at Ravana Adventure Park. It's at Little Adams Peak here in Sri Lanka, near the town of Ella. Beautiful area around here. There's tea plantations. We're going to be flying over. And you can see those bushes. They look like manicured landscape bushes. Those are all tea. But anyway, here we go. Slightly afraid of heights. Hello.
First time we zip line, you can hold here.
Okay.
Don't put the fingers, don't touch the cable. Once you go there, before you reach the platform, you should lean backward.
Lean back.
They have automatic brake system, that's why.
Okay.
Okay, have a seat, sit down. Feet up, like this. One hand you can maintain your GoPro.
Okay.
You can turn it and you can record.
Okay.
One hand keep here.
Gotcha.
If you are let go, both hands doesn't matter, but we have recommended at least you should hold here.
Okay.
Okay, stand. Where are you from?
United States?
USA. Far away, huh?
Yeah. Not
What's your
many.
name?
Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
What's your name?
Dinesh.
Dinesh. Nice
So
to meet
Eric, you can after the ride you can put the review, Google review. The
Okay.
reason a lot of American then
Yeah, of
can
course,
know it.
of course. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you.
M&M, yeah. Very nice.
All right, you ready, Beth?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Come forward. Have a seat, sit down. Ready?
Yep.
Together. 3,
Yep.
2, 1, go legs up.
Woo! Yeah! Wow, that was quite the brake system.
Great, huh? Alright, go to the top.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I'm glad we did it.
I'm so glad we did it.
Yeah, that was awesome. All right, hope you all enjoyed that. I definitely recommend that. If you come to Sri Lanka, you're in the Ella area, Ravana Adventure Park, check it out. All right, later. Yeah, pushing. I don't know if this is included in the ticket price or I'm getting a discount. Do we get free ride now? Yeah, you're welcome.